Hi, hello, seventh grade science students. Hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy and happy, and finding good stuff to do, good STEM stuff to do, build stuff. Um, so, yeah, hoping you guys are having fun. I wanted to hit two questions on this assignment that I just graded today. There are two questions that some kids had some trouble with, and that's fine. Overall, looked great, looked very, very good. One thing that, or two questions. Number 10. A lot of kids got it right, but a few kids got it wrong, and that's okay. Where does food go? Where does the energy and the mass of the food go? Does it go more towards movement for an animal, or does it go more towards um, growth and getting bigger? And the answer is most of the food we eat goes towards movement. Okay, we use a lot of energy in our daily lives. Um, think about two ways to think about. One way, think about a quarter pounder. Like, what if you gained a quarter of a pound every time you ate a quarter pounder? That would be bad. We would be thousands and thousands of pounds right now. So, most food we eat actually goes into energy and movement and stuff like that, not to build more mass. Okay. Also, when you think about energy, 60% of the food you eat is just used in keeping your body warm. We're warm blooded um, species, we're warm blooded organisms. God made us that way. We use 60% of what we eat. 60% of our energy just goes straight into keeping our body at, what is it, 98.6 degrees or whatever it is. So, yeah, that's the first one. The second one is biomagnification. A lot of kids struggle with that one. That's fine, not a big deal. But let's go ahead and take a look at what it is, okay? So, basically it's when you have toxins in the environment, pollutants. It could be there on purpose, it could be there not on purpose. Like, it could be just oil running off a street into a pond, and mayflies are getting that oil into them. It could also be like therefore on purpose. A lot of people at lakes around here, they'll actually spray to get rid of mayflies, or spray to get rid of different insects, or use different toxins to try and get rid of algae and stuff like that. Okay. Now, biomagnification is when, like, these mayflies are going to get some pollutants, they're going to get it in their bodies, and it's might not kill them. It might if it's meant to kill them, but it might not kill them. Well, bluegill is going to come along, eat hundreds and hundreds of mayflies, and it's going to have more of that toxin, because these toxins in the environment, they're made to not be able to get broken down. So they're going to get more of the toxin in there. And then bass eat a bunch of bluegills, they're going to get more of that toxin. And then if we eat the bass, that sounds good actually right now, but if we eat the bass, we're going to get more of the toxins. So really, biomagnification is as you go up the food chain, toxins will get greater and greater and greater. It'll be at a higher levels. That's why we had different things such as DDT and hawks. Hawks were at the top of the food chain. They were eating a ton of mice, stuff like that. And DDT, which was made to kill mosquitoes, was accumulating in them, and it made their eggshells weak. And a lot of bald eagles, a lot of hawks and stuff like that died because of that. Same reason why you're not supposed to eat too much salmon from Lake Michigan, just because mercury is getting bioaccumulated in those salmon, and it could be toxic if you eat too much salmon from Lake Michigan. So, hope that clears up a couple things. Thank you so much. You guys are doing great. Yeah, looking forward to our optional Zoom meetings on Wednesday. Once again, that is optional, but I just want to see if you guys have any questions, check in with you, make sure you guys are doing well. Yeah, all right, have a great day.